to have her publicity. And here she is. Hey! And I think my sister's bitchy. Okay. Hi, I'm sister. Okay, we're going to be doing a slime video. So, here's the first one. Look. Really? See? Look. Mia Madonna. Yes.
Come on, my money, I'm begging you, please. Yup. The borough, they know that I fuck up OT. The jeweler bust down the AP. Came in and went. Put the fire on medium, turn on the light and the vent. When I witness a 10. Making weight drops for a magic and 80%. Bando baby 29. I only deal with the pen. Come on, straight like street. I want to deal with the press. Yeah, they call me Bando baby 29. If I hit you with this dick, you'll lose your mind. If I teach you how to whip, you'll change your life. Hit him with the spinner or the knife. Now I step up in her to say I'm not finished, but I got some more. I feel like the man. I need some more rubber bands. With it like if she bad, tell her don't look at the time. You should've saw the way I hit it in the shop. I'm pouring lean in lemon.
Okay.
I really needed to see a doctor. It was a Saturday and our
I need to put them off.
I've got 2 children.
Can I hit my wrong?
You better sit back down, what you mean? Sit back down, what you mean? You say that you're coming for me. Sit back down.
This is my old t-shirt for my old school.
Sit back down, what you mean? You say that you're coming for me. Sit back down, what you mean? What you mean? Too clean, what you mean? Tinted windows when we rolling out. That's a 7-seat I delete.
Okay, I'm going to do this at taking us 10 out of 10, a stretching us 8 out of 10, and texture 5 out of 10. Because we made this last week without recording now. So yeah, that was 2 days, so it's no time. It took us ages. This is we had glue, we had PVA glue, air wick, no contact solution, baking soda, shampoo. No, I did my thing. No, we didn't make it this stuff, we don't. And the other one, here's the one that I made that dizzy, but I have to use thing now. Here's my dizzy one. Look.
Cause they see money climbing up, I'm shining up, but they can't join my way.
Alright, the shout out to this week is be a mammoth and make wow. Now you can see the slime. Oh, bubble. Here's this one. Let me put it in there. That's down with the knee. So I'm going to use again coconut. 10 out of 10. Stretchiness, I need to show you my squishy, but I'll give it 8 out of 10. And thing this time
What do you need this out again?
Emily 123, no, Emanuela 123.
No.
Who was it then?
Our shout out was Fun with Marion.
Fun with Marion. She has very good things, and it's really
Look at my squishy.
and it's really fascinating, and it's really fun, and it's very entertaining. So our shout out is fun with Marion.
So what should we get them?
So we're going to get her. It's just a shout out. Our prizes are next week. So who can get a prize? Only one prize we can hand out every week. Maybe every week. We don't know yet.
It's so beautiful. Heck yeah. This is
Look. Adidas one. Move. To Lean and Bob. Lean. What? Okay, Mum.
Stop, man, look.
Lean. But.
Oi, mate, if you're out here getting this longer, then this one's for you. Entitled Lean and Bob by Hustler. Lean and Bob, Lean and Bob, Lean Bob, Lean Bob, no, Lean and Bob, Lean and Bob, Lean Bob, Lean Bob. And if you're feeling the vibe, make your body hot, lean to the side. And if you're feeling the vibe, make your body hot, lean to the side. I step in the room, they all notice that. And if you know you're hot, throw your shoulders back. You all notice that. And if you know you're hot, throw your shoulders back. Yo, my door's so cold, you a road man do it. Make a young boy, you know old man do it. In the back of the yeah, blasting out reggae. Passing the second, like an
Everybody jump
all
up
I
and
need
sit
is
down on
what
the
man.
bench.
Another rack, then I lean and pop. Girls do it with me if you're feeling hot. If you ain't getting on me, the beat just stop. I love chocolate cold, but I never eat a Kit Kat. Baby girl, I ain't got time for no chit chat. You keep telling me to take time and kick back. I'ma be out here till it's pitch black. Lean and bob, lean and bob, lean bob, lean bob, lean and bob, lean and bob, lean bob, lean.
So put this way.
And if you're feeling the vibe, make your body hot, lean to the side. And if you're feeling the vibe, make your body hot, lean to the side. They all clock my face when I'm up in the scene. Do it reverse and do a up in the lean. Just the other day I met a girl in my dream. Shawty, I love the way you're twirling them jeans. Show me your ooh, for the sexy girl say then I hit him with it, man, I love chocolate cold, but I never.
What is it called?
What? Fuck you. I'm joking. Don't write down. I said duck you.
It's a song, guys. No.
Okay. So guys, soon it'll be our end of our video.
Hey.
On it, guys. Yeah. So,
Should I put this on the maze?
for you. So guys, now we're gonna put this one for you.
No, we're not. We'll put this one, yeah? Yeah, I know who this is for. So, for I was down, but he was down, but this is more and more. Yeah, so bad. Yeah, I keep hearing lies. I'm just gonna put this on for you. Die. Yeah, past. Everyone that didn't last. Here's the past. Oh, it's great. Yeah, I know I made mistakes. Like I just in this way. True. Stay alive and it don't know.
Bank holidays are yours. It starts with a barbecue for just
Yeah, we got it for you. So, now maybe my mum's. This is my cousin's milk. There's SMA. Who's here today? His name's George.
He's basically our cousin.
Is our cousin.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, he's the one who won't let me sleep. There's a little girl who won't let me sleep. Waking me up and waking me up and waking me up, don't they?
My last video was Turning for love for you. Ringing for love for you. Made you happy. Guys, by the way, our last video was Granny. You need to watch it. Right, it is very cute. Sorry, bad. It is very thinky. You must watch it and you must play it. So thank you for watching our video, and we hope you enjoyed it. And please subscribe, comment, and like. Thank you. Bye.